It was a rainy day when I spotted a shivering stray cat by the roadside, completely soaked. I couldn't leave it behind, so I rushed it straight to the pet hospital. The gentle little thing stayed calm while the vet examined it. Suffering from severe stomatitis after a long time on the streets, it had to be hospitalized for 2 weeks. Once healed, I brought it home and gave it a warm bath. As it ate its first hearty meal, tears filled its eyes, and I comforted it gently. At first, it watched me timidly from afar, but with patience and love, its sweet personality bloomed. Now, from wearing cute hats and playing with toys to enjoying massages, this adorable fur baby is thriving. I hope it lives a long, happy life with me and forgets all its past struggles.